Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add USDT in Metamask on Ethereum and Polygon networks. So first of all, you need to launch your Metamask wallet in your mobile, and then you just have to simply select Ethereum main network in the top. Now first we are going to add USDT on Ethereum mainnet, and then I will show you how you can add it on Polygon network. So once you see this type of interface in front of you, you need to tap on this little import tokens option in the bottom. Now in the search bar, you need to simply search for USDT, and once you are able to find Tether USD over here, you need to simply tap on it in order to check this box. After that, you need to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to tap on the import option, and there you go, you have successfully added USDT on Ethereum mainnet. Now in order to add USDT on the Polygon network, you need to first of all tap on this top section, and over here you need to select Polygon mainnet. Now if you are not able to find Polygon mainnet in this list, you need to first of all tap on the add network option, and from the popular networks you will by default find the Polygon network. So you need to tap on the add option right next to it, and it will be added in the list. Now you need to select Polygon mainnet, and you need to wait for some time until it changes to the Polygon mainnet. Now once it is changed successfully, you need to tap on the import tokens again, and again you need to search for USDT. Now once you are able to find Tether USD, you need to simply tap on it in order to select it, then tap on the next option in the bottom, and then tap on the import option again. Now as you can see that you have successfully added USDT on a Polygon network as well. So if this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell as well. If you have any question regarding it, you can just do let me know in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.